Hi, I'm Bob Jones. I'm with Zylight here at NAB 17. We're showing some new products from Aladdin, which is the bifold series. It's based on the original Biflex series of flexible LED panels, and the concept is that the panels have been enclosed in a rigid enclosure which can be folded. It can be shaped to take either a folded shape or a straight shape. This is a 4-foot version. So the panels can be mounted on a flat surface, or they can be put onto a stand adapter. And the idea here is that you have a 4-foot wide LED panel, bicolor, that can be actually, you could take this and you could hang it onto a wall, hang it on a stand, or put a rigid frame on it and stand mount it. And then when you're finished with the shoot, it collapses into a small package with its dimmer, included dimmer. It takes up a very small space, can be transported in a very small compact bag, even a sort of a messenger bag or a shoulder bag. So that's the advantage, is the portability and the compactness. These are waterproof fixtures, so they are fully actually submersible. These could operate underwater. They have an IP67 rating, which is designates that it's waterproof. And here's, you can see the bicolor. You go from full tungsten to a daylight, change the brightness, and bring it down to a very low level. These are flicker-free, constant light. These can be used for video, of course, and for still photography because of the continuous lighting, no flicker. So that's called the Bifold series, Bifold 4 and Bifold 2 from Aladdin. In the Zylight booth, what we're showing is a new line of Fresnel's lighting fixtures, LED lighting from the Razor 7 is the model. They come in 4 sizes. We're showing 3 of the models here. They are either straight daylight LED fixtures or bicolor fixture. They come in a traditional looking Fresnel fixture housing. They're focusable, and they have a menu that gives you control over the dimming, either very fast dimming or incremental, more slow, precise dimming. And you have different mode controls for the fan that can maintain the cooling of the fixture. The fixture doesn't generate any heat out front because of the LED, but there is heat that comes out of the back, and there's a fan system that controls that. These are high quality. It's a Netherlands. This company is from the Netherlands. They're new to the U.S., and we have the exclusive distribution for this product in the U.S. and Latin America. They can be powered traditionally from AC. They have DMX, which can be connected, used with dimming boards, and it can also operate on a DC battery system, which is not shown here, but they are either AC or DC capable. So they're constructed of mostly metal and some plastic, so they have some ruggedness to them, and they come very highly regarded from the European market. And that's one of the new products that we're showing here at NAB. Okay, with the Razor 7 fixture, we have a focusing mechanism here, which is a mechanical system. So this gives you your flood and your spot control of the beam angle of the light. Here you have the RJ45 connection for the DMX control, for in and out, and to connect multiple fixtures together. This is the AC and DC input connector. This switch here gives one setting is for AC, and if it's running on DC power, you have the second switch setting on the back there. And on the side of the fixture, you have the control for color temperature, and you can see the readout gives you, that's the dimming. This is a multi-function switch here, so when I push it, now I'm controlling the color temperature. This is showing a 3640 Kelvin. That's more of a warm color. And then we can run it up to full daylight, 5600 Kelvin. And we push that button again, and now we're controlling the brightness. So it's a multi-function. And we have different mode settings here for the fan on the menu, low and high. and then we can a few other mode settings that we haven't actually activated yet. Here you have an indicator as you're zooming, as you're focusing. It may be hard to see on the video here, but there's a little bar here that moves and it gives you the reference of the beam angle. So this is saying we're at 25-degree angle of light. That's useful because if you have multiple fixtures and you could tell the operators set them all to a certain beam angle, they can just go by the reference on the side and they'll be producing the exact same beam projection of light. So that's just another little handy detail that is included with the Razor 7 fixtures.